Hi everyone, Dan here. Today we're going to unbox an MSI X470 Gaming Pro Carbon motherboard. It's got an AM4 socket. Supports RAM, DDR4 up to 3466 with AXMP overclock mode. AMD Turbo USB 3.1 Generation 2, an Intel Gaming LAN, high resolution display port, clear CMOS button, golden audio jacks, full gaming I/O cover and heatsink, 2 power connectors for the motherboard, and the DDR boost has steel armor on it. Optimizes traces and isolated memory circuitry. Has thermal enhancement for M.2 devices and PCIe steel armor. Has Audio Boost 4 with amplifier. Has 2 slots for the M.2 and NVMe support. It supports AMD Ryzen desktop processors and AMD A-series Athlon processors. Has Mystic Light and Mystic Light Sync with 16.8 million colors, 17 effects in one click, synchronized RGB and rainbow strips and other RGB solutions for customization. Audio Boost, Gaming LAN, Core Boost, Multi-GPU, supports SLI and 3-way crossfire. It's VR ready. It has an easy debug LED, easiest way to troubleshoot. Has an award-winning BIOS with high-resolution scalable font, favorites, and search function. And it's a certified 24-hour on and offline game and motherboard testing by esports players. Well, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got going on here. Here's the motherboard itself, packed in anti-static. Feels like a nice, heavy, and good quality construction on the motherboard. Got the 4 RAM slots, PCIe slots, the M.2 slots, let's look at the I/O. The Audio Boost. Feels like a very solid board. In the box there's a quick installation guide. This is just telling you to put your standoffs on your case before you install it. This is an M.2 screw. That's the installation owner's manual. Thank you card. Nice little MSI emblem. And some helper strips for labeling your cables if you choose to. Driver CD. SLI bridge. There's 2 SATA cables. This looks like fan extension cables. RGB extension cables. Looks like some more RGB cables. And of course the I/O shield. And that's all that came in the box. Thanks for watching.